The structure to my right is one of the most spectacular Gothic buildings in all of Italy. Siena Cathedral, dedicated like most cathedrals to Saint Mary of the Assumption. Construction began here in the year 1226 and progressed in a traditional fashion. That is, beginning at the back of the church, or altar end, and progressing towards the front, or the facade. And by the time construction reached its western end, a very celebrated sculptor by the name of Giovanni Pisano was commissioned to design the spectacular facade. And what he put together is one of the most celebrated examples of Gothic architecture in all of Europe. A tripartite division covered in this extraordinary sculpture depicting both animals and Old Testament prophets. But about 16 years into its construction, Pisano resigned his commission, claiming that the building committee here in Siena was too micromanagerial. And in fact, it was another architect who came along and completed its construction. And if you look carefully at that facade on Siena Cathedral, you'll notice that the verticals of the lower and upper sections do not align. But because of the decoration that we see on the outside, this white Carrara marble, the green striping that you see covering the brick infrastructure, all of it looks homogenized. All of it looks like it was built in that same building phase. But what we will discover in an upcoming video is that, in fact, this project was far from over. Ultimately, it would take 174 years to complete Siena Cathedral and to express Siena's devotion to the Blessed Virgin Mary.